Wie geht's Leute? Welcome back to Journey Encoded. So today is Sunday and we are going to a famous place in Berlin called Brandenburg Tor, and also it's near to the city center, Alexanderplatz. So let's see. Ritesh has gotten exciting news that there is going to be a fashion show. So we are all dressed up in kind of a Western fashion style, and we are going to, as usual, take S-Bahn till Friedrichstraße, and then we'll go to the Alexanderplatz and see what we find there. Till the time we are reaching the S-Bahn station, I thought I might share a few of my experiences. So Alexanderplatz and Friedrichstraße are the places where I initially stayed for first 14 to 15 days when I was not having a confirmed accommodation because my university doesn't provide any kind of student dorms or that kind of hostels. So I stayed in few dorms, 7 days in each, 2 dorms, and that place is really wonderful. There are a lot of international people around there because those are very famous tourist spots. There are, I guess, 2 museums and also the Berlin famous TV tower. Yeah, so it's kind of going back to the old memories. I usually visit there in like 1 or 2 months. When I came here, in first few months it was very often going to Alexanderplatz because in Germany after 8 o'clock it's very quiet, so the city areas are usually having a little bit rush. So me and my friends used to visit there, but now that we have almost completed our second semester, we don't often go to those places. As soon as I got to know that there is going to be this fashion show and some other activities, so, and by the way, today is the last day as I'm shooting this video. Today is the last day of German summer holidays, so it's going to be a little bit crowded today. So let's see what we find out there. So guys, we are here on our Zellendorf S-Bahn station. You can see the view behind us, and one cool thing I wanted to share about Germany is we have these ticket stations where you can actually take the tickets, and then you cannot actually board the S-Bahn or any other public transport. You need to stamp it first here, so it kind of gives 2 times verification. I don't know the logic behind that. I guess it's for the time duration when you have boarded the S-Bahn or the regional trains or any other public transport. But as we are students, we get this ticket called as a Deutschland ticket. So in this we have this ticket for like 6 months, and we pay actually very less. It's going to increase this time, but it's around 180 to 190 euros for 6 months, which is very cheap. And you can travel with that ticket in entire Germany. The only thing is you cannot take the super fast train like IC or the private trains like Flix. But apart from that, all the DB operated trains are allowed for us to travel into. And I just wanted to share this information. We have got like 6 minutes for our S-Bahn, so we'll wait and we'll continue later.
Station Rathaus Steglitz. Übergang zur U-Bahn-Linie.
फायनल आज आहे, म्हणजे आता आठवड्याभर जे आलेले सगळे कडक आयटम आज येणार.
So here we are on the main square of Alexanderplatz. There are multiple things going on. Right now there is an, I guess, market here, and there is a fashion show. We would be taking you to each of the part. And cannot actually turn this camera, flip this camera, but here you can see, as I said, this is crowdy, and let's see what we are able to see today. So what we just noticed is that Primark is open today, and which is a strange thing, as on Sundays usually Primark and now the outlets are closed, at least in Berlin that I have known. So we are just going for a window shopping right now with Ritesh. He wants to buy something.
Shopping in Deutschland, winter shopping in Deutschland.
So our window shopping is over. As you can see, we have bought nothing. This is kind of a student life. We just visit here. Actually, we were looking for winter clothes, which are not yet available, and the ones that we liked are not in perfect size. So this is very common in Primark. But yeah, another day of window shopping. Till the time we came out of Primark, it is already sunset time. It's almost 8 o'clock, and Berlin has started to light up. As you can see behind us, this fashion show is being conducted. I don't see anyone walking on ramp yet, but I visited Alexanderplatz few days ago, and I saw the actual fashion show. But right now, for some reason, they are not rating. I don't know why. So we are going to visit few stalls. I guess Ritesh is hungry a little bit. So let's see what it's awaiting for us. So this is what I was talking about in the starting of the video. As soon as it's 8 o'clock or 8:30, usually the German people prefer to stay in home instead of going outside. In India it is totally opposite. After 8:30 or 9 o'clock, usually people have their dinner and they go out for some fun. So as you can see, there are a lot of stalls of different things. Like there are cosmetics, food, other merchandise, but still
As you can see, we have Samosa Club of Berlin.
yes, right behind us. So I don't know why, but these guys don't like to hang out late night. So we are trying to find some place where we can have something, or at least to hang out a little bit. So we are done with the Alexanderplatz, as there is not much happening today. We thought of the fashion show, but apparently we reached here a little bit late as per as my guess, and they are playing music, and I guess so contestants and other people are clicking some photos, but as long as the actual fashion show part, I don't see anyone. Apart from that, the usual Alexanderplatz things are going on. The people are performing, and there are a few stalls installed, and you can see it's a quite a view. Few will argue that it's not clean and everything, but who cares? It's Berlin. So now, yeah, das is Berlin. So now we are planning to go to Brandenburg Tor. It is very close from here, like 2 stations. So meantime, I'm thinking about covering another area which is in between both this station. So we'll see from where we go. Totally depends. Ritesh just lost me. So after a photo session, video session, I guess it's time to head for the Brandon McToy because it's getting late. Yes, over to you, sir.
So as you know, we are heading to the Brandenburg Tower. There are two different types of Brandenburg Tower. We one have in the Potsdam and we in Berlin. So someone says that come to Berlin, then go to Berlin wala Potsdam, not the Potsdam.
Berlin wala Potsdam.
Oh, size.
I guess it's kind of trend now on each and every public spots or tourist spots. These guys are drawing this kind of things, flags. There is another thing that I wanted to mention right here. Yeah, that's the moon, and today is the lunar eclipse. So we are actually able to see the eclipse, deforming right in front of Brandon McToy. So guys. Finally we had a small photo shoot. Ritesh didn't click any
pictures.
photos. No, he clicked good pictures of mine, but he didn't had any photos in front of Brandon McToy in the night time. I don't know.
First time I am exploring Berlin in the night.
Okay, so he hasn't explored Berlin because Berlin is the night time thing. So this is the Brandon McToy, and now we are heading towards the Parliament building, and there is a huge mob in front of me. I don't know why.
Los Gates.
Yes, Los Gates. So meet you there. We are in front of the Parliament building. I'll be uploading some good quality videos about this. My selfie camera is not that good, but apparently there is some kind of event going on right in front of the Parliament building. I don't know what it is about, so let's explore it.
Der Herrschaft des Nationalsozialismus erarbeiten Politiker und Politikerinnen in den westlichen Besatzungszonen ab 1948 das Grundgesetz. Die Erfahrungen aus der Diktatur prägen die Debatten. Das Grundgesetz legt fest,
So we have finished watching the presentation or the movie or whatsoever. Yeah, and apparently it was about the entire German history, modern German history, where the fall of Germany in 1945 and other things, the partition of the Eastern Germany and Western Germany, and all those things, how they recovered from it, and what were the political stands and everything. So it's a very vague topic to discuss about in this video. So it's getting late, and we are heading towards the Friedrichstrasse right now, and my video quality is not so good. Yeah, I'll definitely work on this thing, but I guess we are calling this as a day off, so I might. Are we supposed to visit something else?
No.
No, British is no, so let's see.
1,000 subscribers and new camera.
So what I'm thinking about is for the next upcoming videos, I'm trying to visit other places in Berlin. So I'm trying to cover Berlin first, and then I would be moving towards the other cities.
Das ist Berlin.
So that there will be a proper road map, Entschuldigung. And then also I'm also having this another series about a day in life of international student in Germany. So in that series also we would discuss about other things like my daily life and other stuff. I would be discussing detailed stuff. Yeah, so this is all about today, and we'll see you guys in the next vlog. Till the time, auf Wiedersehen.